Oh my God!
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Winnebago County in north central Illinois until 6:45 p.m. At 6:24 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Grand, or 9 miles west of
Tornado warning for my county!
5 miles per hour. Tornado. Source:
Shut up!
Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near. Light intel from the local house.
Oh my God, tornado warning for my county. Holy crap. Here we go. Oh my God. And my weather radios are going off again. Dude, there go the sirens. Holy shit. Holy shit. That was out of nowhere. Holy crap. Okay, my radio.
Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Okay, I don't know what the hell is going on. Sirens are still going off. John, you should get back home. There's a tornado warning. Yep, there's a tornado warning. You should probably get home.
Okay. Come on, boys. Your friends are now.
Yeah, this is out of nowhere. No idea what is going on. All right. All right.